Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a stylish and functional addition to your dining table, the WANGCHAO Placemats and Table Runner set. This is hands down one of the best dining table sets you can get on the market right now, and I'm excited to show you why. This set comes with 6 beautifully designed placemats and a matching table runner. All made from a durable blend of 70% PVC and 30% polyester. The material not only looks fantastic but is incredibly practical too. Available in this stunning ombre blue, it's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any dining space. Whether you have a dark wood table, glass, or even a farmhouse-style setup, these placemats and runner complement them beautifully. Now, let's talk about why this set stands out. First off, it's heat-resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can place hot dishes on it without worrying about damage. The design also ensures that liquids simply slide off, making it super easy to clean. Just wipe down with a cloth and you're good to go. I've been using these at home, and they've held up incredibly well. Whether it's a casual family dinner, a cozy breakfast, or even hosting a dinner party, these placemats and the table runner add that extra touch of style and protection for your table. Speaking of durability, they're built to last. The high-quality PVC blend means they're resistant to fading, non-slip, and of course, washable. Just a quick hand wash with warm, soapy water keeps them looking as good as new. From everyday use to special occasions like Thanksgiving or Christmas dinners, these placemats and the table runner fit right in. They're designed not just for practicality but to enhance your dining experience with their elegant design. I've seen other sets out there, but the WANGCHAO set really impressed me with its combination of affordability and quality. It's clear why it's become a favorite among many households. So, if you're looking to upgrade your dining table setup with a set that's not only functional, but also adds a touch of style, I highly recommend checking out the WANGCHAO Placemats and Table Runner set. It's durable, easy to clean, and looks fantastic. What more could you ask for? That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.